I picked it up and I'm so excited to unbox these goodies. Oh my god, yay! Cheers! Hello, good morning, and welcome to a new vlog. I am already up and ready this morning. I did my morning routine and I've already been super productive, already had a meeting. I will quickly show you what I'm wearing today. It's so casual, but it's really warm today. And it has been for the last few days, so I've been wearing like not as warmer clothes. So this is my airy t-shirt that I love. It's cute because it has this little detail on it and it's a little bit more cropped. Like it's not like a cropped, but it's not, you know, super long. And then my airy leggings that are just like my favorite. These are my go-to. They have a pocket on the side, which makes them just that much better, but they're also like really soft and comfortable, high-waisted. Really like these. And just a change from my regular black leggings. And that's literally it. My hair is up in a high ponytail. Nothing too exciting. I guess that wasn't really worth an outfit of the day, but that's what we're working with. So I'm gonna head back downstairs. Upstairs is a mess. I gotta clean it up. But yesterday was a really big filming and content day. I had a few deliverables to get done. So I'm really excited about how all of those turned out and I can't wait for you to see them all. But for now, I need to get back to my desk. I already had one meeting this morning, but I gotta get some stuff up. I went upstairs to get my planner. I haven't really been writing in a physical planner lately, except, I don't know, it's been helping me to like get things out of my head and onto paper. So I've been trying it out again because I've been a very digital person, but sometimes it just helps put things on paper. So that's what I came upstairs to grab and I didn't do that. Oh, and here are my earrings. I'm gonna put these on. This planner here, let me flip to the front. It is the Success Planner, making time for what matters the most. I am worthy of my dreams and my desires. It's so dark outside, but it's so warm outside, so my mom and I are gonna go for a walk. She just got home from work. I'm done work. No, come on, we're gonna go outside. Look at you. You're waiting in the kitchen for food. Your food is right here, buddy. Good boy. This is what it looks like when I clean up the office after my work day. I no longer have a lunch bag at work, but I have all these dishes. I don't know why I think this is so funny. Okay, so I had my water, which I refilled a few times. I have my mug from my coffee this morning. I had another glass that I had bubbly water in because in the afternoon I like to have something other than water. And then this morning I had some berries that were in this container. Then I had a chocolate, this is so embarrassing, a chocolate bar wrapper and some other candy and then a tissue. I had lunch, but I didn't leave that in the office.
And what time did you start?
9.
And what time is it now?
5:48.
Oh, you're cleaning up at the end of the day.
And then we're gonna watch The Bachelorette. Just made this salad for lunch. There is chicken on the bottom. I have some coleslaw, avocado, cucumber, tomatoes, and spring mix. And then I wanted to tell you about this dressing that I've been liking lately. It's by the brand Bolthouse Farms, and it is a cilantro avocado dressing, yogurt dressing. So good. I just got here and actually that is Nikki pulling in right here. So we're gonna go for our hike. I packed us some fruit little snacks in my bag here. And we're gonna enjoy the nice weather because we're not gonna get very much until it starts to snow again. Good morning. Yesterday I had a really fun hike with Nikki. I didn't really film anything because we were just catching up and talking about some stuff. When I got home, I got really inspired to research new cameras, and look into if I wanted to upgrade, because it has been a very long time since I've upgraded my DSLR. Right now I'm filming on my Canon G7X Mark II, and I love this little camera. I think it is a powerhouse. It is really great quality for the size of it. It's so portable and I love it. It's just like such a multi-use camera. It's great. It's great for videos, great for photos. It's great. I got this camera, I think it was Boxing Day of 2017. But this is my DSLR camera. It is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. I got this in 2011 or 2012, very many years ago, and it's been great ever since. I have been contemplating upgrading this camera for a while because I believe it's the T7i version that first came out with autofocus for video, and that alone is a game changer, because one of my biggest struggles with this camera is like when I'm filming myself, which I always am, I don't have anyone that helps me film. It's really hard for me to make sure that I'm in focus when I set up the camera and then press record. Normally, it's like quite the process for me to do that. I will set up the camera exactly where I want it, then I will put something where I'm sitting so that I can go back behind the camera and make sure and focus on that item. So yesterday, this is hilarious. Yesterday I put this unicorn in the spot that I was sitting here to focus the camera on it, and then I can go back and sit down and then I'm in focus. But then what I will do is I'll always do a couple test shots to just double check that I indeed am in focus, and it's just such the process. And yesterday I couldn't get it right, and then the angle of the camera was weird, and I was like, you know what, I feel like this doesn't even look good. So then I ended up setting up this camera, which is my Canon G7X, and I ended up just filming my video on this camera, and I loved it so much better. So that was really what sparked it in my mind that I think it's time to upgrade this camera. Long story short, I've been thinking about it a lot, and I've been doing some research. So the stores are also having Black Friday deals right now, so this is the right time to be looking at a new electronic. So I did a bunch of research, and I was looking into the Canon 90D or 80D series, and I was doing a lot of comparisons because I think the Canon Rebel EOS Ti series, I think, is kind of marketed towards like the middle tier consumer. So the 80D, the 90D, that tier is more of a like pro series, versus this is more of like middle consumer quality camera. Although a lot of the reviews were saying that the quality is only slightly better. I don't know, those are some of the reviews that I was reading, but it's obviously a more professional camera and there's other perks to it as well. But I think for my need, I think I'm okay to just upgrade in the same tier. So the Canon EOS Rebel, and the newest one that just came out is the T8i, but the T7i, the previous version, is on sale right now. And I was looking at comparisons, and it doesn't look like there's that many upgrades between the T7i and the T8i. One of the major ones was that the T8i can do recording in 4K, but there's a caveat with that, because when you're filming in 4K, the autofocus is not using all of the sensors. So to me, that was like kind of a step backwards, because my main reason for upgrading is for quality and for autofocus. I didn't really think that the T8i was worth the extra price tag, because the T7i's are all on sale. So long story short, I'm getting the Canon Rebel EOS T7i. It's on sale at Best Buy, and there's actually a bundle right now. So the bundle is actually the same price as just buying the camera on its own, and you get a new memory card, a camera case, although I don't need those items because I have a camera case already for this camera, but it's the exact same price. So I'm gonna go, because the memory card alone is worth the bundle. You can never have too many memory cards. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that, and then that way I can sell this camera with the case and everything, because I'm gonna upgrade to the newer one. I kind of want to use it this weekend because there's some stuff that I need to shoot. So I'm thinking that I will do the curbside pickup. I will order it and then go pick it up later today. This is so exciting. I've been waiting so long to do this, and like I can't believe I've like actually come to terms with pulling the trigger here. I need more coffee to make sure I'm thinking this through properly. I'm just joking. I have been thinking about this for a very long time, and it's just like about time that I finally frickin' do it. Alright, I did it! I placed the order for store pickup, so I'm gonna go later today. It's kind of weird. I'm getting 2 items. I had to order them separately for in-store pickup, but I checked, they were both available at the same location, so that made my decision for me. I'm gonna go later today. I just got an email saying it'll be ready in like an hour, but of course I'm working, so I probably won't go till a little bit later, but I'm so excited, and then we can unbox it together. That was quick. I never make decisions this quick that are big purchases, but I did it and I've been wanting it for a really long time, so it was on sale. That kind of made my decision for me. And now I'm gonna get like inspired and make a list of like a bunch of new things to film with my new camera. Leave your video requests down below for any sit down videos that you would like me to film. So excited. I picked it up. That was the easiest pickup ever. And I'm so excited to unbox these goodies. So this is the big boy. This is the bundle kit. So EOS Rebel T7i. I'm so excited. I'm gonna open this when I get home. I did the contactless like curbside pickup. It was super easy. They send you an email and then you can check like when it's ready for pickup, you can check in. Can you tell it's like I'm fighting against time. It's like the sun is setting behind me. I mean, in front of me. I was patiently waiting throughout my workday to come pick this up. And then this is the little beauty. I also got another lens to go with it. This is the Canon EF 50mm f1.8. I've been wanting this lens for so long. This will give me like that pretty blurred background and just like really up my video quality. So I'm really excited to try this all out, and you can come along with me. I'm home and I'm ready to unbox. My mom's here, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a show and tell for her, and Merlot is right here on my seat. So this is the bundle. I spontaneously decided, not really spontaneously, because I have been wanting to upgrade my camera forever, and I finally decided to do it. But normally my mom has to talk me into all of my purchases because I don't like to spend money. It's true, right?
Yeah, it is true.
Here's the camera. So this is an upgrade, 4 versions upgraded from my current camera. I have the T3i, this is T7i. Ooh, and part of the bundle came with a memory card. These alone I think are like $50.
Wow.
Yeah. So, like I said, it was the exact same price to get the bundle or to just get this camera. So I got the whole box for the same price. So this was pretty much, this was like free, this memory card. And you can never have too many memory cards. The only thing that I'm a little bit concerned about is that the battery is different than my old camera. So I have so many extra batteries for the old camera that now I'm gonna only have 1, and I'm gonna have to probably get replacements so that I always have like a backup. But at the same time, one of the new features is that the batteries last longer. This is then the lens. So this is actually the same lens that I have on my camera now. So this is not anything new. This is the beauty. I'm so excited. Feels lighter than my old one, but I guess it doesn't have the lens on it. So this is it. It has like literally all the same buttons.
Well, that's good, because people like that. They don't want to have to learn a whole new setup.
Ooh, this is so exciting. And then the battery comes with a strap. Yay! Then, okay, this was separate. This was not part of the bundle. I bought another lens for the camera, and this is what's gonna make my footage look really pretty. So it's shorter because there's no zoom on it. It's a fixed lens. The rest of what's in the box, it came with a screen protector for the screen, the touch screen, this one.
Oh,
which is nice. That's an upgrade from my old one. So it came with screen protector, and then a case.
Hi everyone.
Nice. This is so exciting. Now I gotta put it all together. Did you like my unboxing? Okay, I'm back. I had to say that I'm so excited that the battery is not directly underneath the hole where you connect it to your tripod, because that is my biggest pet peeve. If your battery dies but you have it on a tripod, you can unclip it from the tripod, but you have to unscrew everything in order to get the battery out. So this looks like thumbs up, already a good improvement. If you know, you know. It's Friday, time for brunch. So I just reheated the omelet. My mom calls this a frittata. Is that the same as an omelet? I don't know. Got my bread. That's a lot of cheese, but it's Friday. Enjoy. Don't mind my nails. I was trying out different polishes for a design. There we go, brunch. It actually is lunchtime, not really brunch time. It is 12:16. I'm gonna sit down and watch a vlog. It's Friday, so I always look forward to Tara Michelle. If you watch her, comment down below. I got the goods, hand sanitizing. Now that I'm back in the car, I'm going to go see Nikki, and she told me she had a hard day, so I went to go pick up our favorite cookies. We both love them. The Pillsbury Christmas sugar cookies. That'll definitely make her smile. Oh my god, yay! Oh, that's exciting. We just both needed to see each other tonight, so we're making cookies and we're gonna watch a Christmas movie. Cheers! Hey everyone, so I just got back to my car. I'm on my way home from Nikki's place, but I wanted to end off this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!